Hello everybody, thought I'd make a video here of what I got going on in my garage here. Got my motorcycle running, charging the battery up. Hasn't been ran in about 2 weeks. Yamaha V-Star 250. Gonna let it run, build my battery up. My latest project, built a bearing press, a 10-ton jack. Put the frame together by myself. Works pretty good. I didn't have a bearing to press, so I pressed a hole in this 2x4 block, about a ½ inch or better. Done pretty good. I'm gonna get some bigger springs. These aren't big enough, and I'm gonna add another piece of metal up here. That's bending a little bit. Overall, it works pretty good. And before that, I put 2 new tires on the dolly. Pretty good dolly. Pretty tall. Getting set up to work on small engines, chainsaws, lawnmowers, weed eaters. Got some new air filters, spark plugs, some oil, fuel filters, and some clamps and flywheel keys, and got plenty of tools, of course. Gotta have tools. Just what I got going on here in my garage. Sockets, ratchets, extensions. I've got a pretty good vise that this got. Works pretty good. Bench grinder to sharpen lawnmower blades. I got my junk in the back, so I hung that tarp up to hide the junk. Got a few weed eaters I got to repair. Fixed this lawnmower last weekend. Did a tune up on it. Oil change, works good. Honda engine on the Troy built, and a few old weed eaters I got to look at. Got another grinder. Another vise. Drill press works pretty good. Old cheap drill press. I've been doing some drilling, making my bearing press. Have a chainsaw sharpening kit. Sharpen chainsaws. Put them here in this vise and tighten the bar down and sharpen the chain. Got these things to go with my bearing press to press various size bearings, and we'll see how that works out. Our compressor's broke. I'm gonna get a new one. This one's wore out. I replaced this part on top. Runs, but it leaks and it won't cut off. So we're gonna get a new air compressor. I got repair manuals to tell me the torque settings and specifications on various lawnmowers, chainsaws. Got a small engine down here I tore apart. Gonna rebuild. Can't get this piece off. I think it's pressed on. Not sure. Can't get it out. Ain't figured it out yet. Working on that engine, built the bearing press, put the wheels on the dolly. Had to use that dolly to change out a washing machine, but anyway, just what I got going on here in my garage. Looks a little junky, but it's a place to work. Thank y'all for watching.